another thing that I would like to tackle. It's not super bad down here, but that's where all the random stuff goes. So I would like to clean that off and just organize these shelves nicely. I'm not worried about in there right now. That's where all of my Tupperware and stuff is. I feel like if I open it, it'll all just like fall out like an avalanche. So I'm gonna wait on the inside, but I would also like to clean the top of that off and reorganize all of this. And even though my kitchen table has turned into my crafting station, I would like to get it back to normal. I mean, I can still use it for crafting. I'll just put something down when I'm doing my painting. I just thought this from Alden's birthday worked perfect for that. But I'm ready to take this off and have my table look cute again. So lots and lots of cleaning and organizing to get done today. So stay tuned, my friends. Well, I have the kitchen table back again. Cleaned it all off. Got my new adorable placemats that I just found at Dollar Tree by the Christmas stuff. I'm loving them. So far I have cleaned off, wiped down the table, the stove, the countertop, cleaned all the fruit. That way it's all ready to go. And the only thing I need to do next is tackle this. Alright, it's the next day. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then get back to cleaning. Okay, so I know this is a clean with me, but here's just a quick little haul from what I just grabbed at Target. I got 2 packs of mashed potatoes, 2 packs of chicken flavored noodles, another bag of salad, our favorite salmon that is still on sale for $6.99. I think it's just originally $7.99, but it's the honey chipotle salmon. And then 2 cheese pizzas because that is Alden's favorite. And then I also picked up 2 of my amps from QT. Also got my soda. You guys know I need that. I also grabbed a few things from the dollar spot because I got really excited that they had them out because I see everybody else already getting this stuff. So, you know, I had to. So I picked up a little pack of these Christmas labels. Now these all say gift toppers. No, they're gonna be little ornaments or just decor for me. So I got the green one that says better not pout. So okay, this was only $1. Does it say how many you get in here? You get 6 sheets of these for $1. All of these were only $1. I thought this one was super cute. And then Better Not Pout and the Ho Ho Ho. This, oh my god, I freaking love this. To me, it feels so farmhouse to me. This was $3. And then I almost got a pair of fuzzy leopard print socks like I wanted from Dollar Tree the other day, but of course they were women's sizes, so they were far too big for me. So I got a couple of fuzzy kids socks for myself. I got these little reindeer. Of course, these were only $1. And then I had to get some red and green that say fa la la. See? Kids cozy socks. But this is the size I need for my feet, okay? I cannot fit women's socks. So, not a huge haul. Oh, we did also get paper towels, but I already put them away. And bonus on that, they're originally $12.99. I get that same pack every time, and they were on sale for $8.99. So, got a little bit of Christmas, got some food, and my amps, and of course my beloved soda. So that is my little haul. And then I've got to go do some teaching with Alden for a little bit, and then I will get back into cleaning so that I can get my first Clean With Me video up for you guys. Okay, this is the before. I don't really have a way of setting you up right now where you can watch me clean this off because I need to find my taller tripod, but I will show you an after. Alright, so the stuff I left up there, this is just stuff that my fiance keeps there just so that we know where it's at. A couple of little tools and a pen, and that's also my fiance's. We've actually tried taking this picture off the wall, but it's like, it's really, really stuck there, so I hate that it's like poking out behind this. We actually took this from my mom's house when we moved. I actually want to eventually kind of revamp it and paint it and get some cute, the one handle fell off because it became loose, but I want to get cute handles and repaint it. I think it would look so good if it was white. And then I left pencil sharpener up here, another pencil sharpener, just some cleaning wipes and bubbles, and then of course our trash bags. And I just kind of organized, you know, this has like napkins in it, a few of Alden's things I need to just clean out, some brown paper bags, paper plates. This is the cookie jar that I got last year in the dollar section at Target, which I can use at any time of the year. I can always just turn it around so that you don't see the Santa part, but hey, we're already coming up on that time of year, so I'll be using it again. And then in here, I just keep Nutri-Grain bars. That way I don't have to have more boxes laying around. Little bags of the Minion cookies. We have Scooby-Doo graham crackers, Teddy Grahams, oatmeal, some Honey Bunches of Oats, my little strawberry shortcake muffins, and some Little Bites, and then my favorite little sugar cookies from Target. I keep saying I'm going to buy more, and then I always forget. And then Alden recently painted these. I keep a bunch of clips here for bags, more clips in this little tub that also has just some ramen noodles. And then our bread and bagels. Of course, my fridge just kicked on. I am not going to tackle cleaning and organizing this out tonight, so we'll save that for another day, maybe another cleaning video. And yeah, and then I could probably organize this as well. That's just where we keep like pots and pans and stuff. But yeah. But yeah, I've never attempted like a clean with me video before, so I know this wasn't the best that there is or even the best that I could do. It was just me trying it out. My friend Cindy has told me for so long to do clean with me's, and I'm gonna try. If you liked this in any sense, I will do more. If not, I understand. I don't have this like spick and span beautiful house with white cabinets and marble countertops or anything, but I am just like a normal human living in my normal home. But, you know, if you want to see me clean more, I'll totally do it. I just need to find like my taller tripod to help out setting up my camera or phone when I do certain things. So if you want to see more, let me know. If this wasn't your cup of tea, I totally understand. But I'm going to go ahead and throw this together and I don't know, maybe get going on dinner soon. So I will talk to you guys again really soon. Bye.